In this video, I will show you one of the juiciest shiatsu moves. We will lift the shoulder blade and we'll go right in. Your partner will love it. Place it on our knees, so we wriggle our knees under the shoulder. And put their hands, sorry, I forgot to say, put their lower arm on their lower back. Like that. Perfect. And then find that space in between the shoulder blade and the back and put the fingers towards you to release that space, to release the muscles. So use both hands and go from top to bottom.